We are here at the New York City International Auto Show. We have special guest Shayla here. We're gonna go look at some cars and see what you think.
We are gonna go.
Acura sign in black, the black on black. I like that. It's okay. It's very high up. I don't know. It's very Jurassic Park looking. Looking for dinosaurs. I don't like the color. I don't know. I like the color. I like the fit of it. It looks kind of sporty. I like the black wheels. I like it a lot. It's like an ice blue color. I like the matte finish, which is unusual for me. I don't usually like matte, but I like it.
67 Volkswagen Plus.
It's cute. I like the avocado green, the nice tan seat.
We used to have the.
This is a nice color with a black wheel. Yeah, I like this red too because I feel like if it was a bright red, it wouldn't look right on this car. You know? It's a nice shade.
Alright, so we are in the Wrangler Rubicon 4xe. We're going to test what makes our Jeeps trail rated as we go throughout the course. Start us out, we're testing maneuverability and ground clearance in the crevasse. Cross through there like it's nothing. The off-camber that's in front of us is going to rock us from side to side, seeing how well the Jeep handles uneven surfaces. All four tires are at a different height, but it does try to keep us pretty level. Sets us down nice and easy. We're going about 30 degrees up on this wedge, and we're not tipping over because of that low center of gravity. And the pitch and roll on the screen right there in the middle. And then it is that plug-in hybrid, so there's an electric range of 21 miles. You can get up to 49 mpge in hybrid mode. Combined, you're going to have 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, so you can go 0 to 60 in 6 seconds. And we save the best for last. We're going to go over 28 feet up in the air. It's 40 degrees up, 40 degrees down. It's going to feel like it's straight up in the air once we start going. And it is in 4-low just to get us as much traction as possible so we don't split the tires or anything. We have that forward-facing camera, making sure no one's at the bottom of our hill. Giving it a little brake check. Keep on going. And as it is, it's going to go for about 75,000. That's basically fully loaded inside and out.
That never disappoints. That's professionals.
What?
That's gotta be a professional driver.
Oh, I was like, what? What if there's a faulty in the car and it just comes slamming through and hits us?